Guys, welcome back. I did drop a video on this gold move last week, and presently this is a new week, and let's look into what gold has for us for this week, and let's spot where we can find entry on gold. All right, now let's go back to monthly on gold, and let's dissect gold properly and see. Now gold has shown sign of rejection here, and price is typically facing the downward direction from the monthly structure. So let's go to the weekly structure. The weekly structure has not yet changed its orientation. The weekly structure has not changed its orientation, and price is still looking bullish from the weekly structure here. Price is still looking bullish, so I'm coming as a liquidity, not an inducement. Okay, so from the weekly view of things, higher high, higher low, so we should continue to the upside, but we are seeing some kinds of movements which is not really looking nice from this area. Now this area could form something like this also for a buy, but we never can tell. For price to reject here, it means price is coming back to this OB. So let's look for areas to sell down back to this OB. Now, okay, this will be swept this guy's liquidity. So this guy, imagine this long candle was swept with this guy, and price begin to tank. Okay, so let's go down into daily. Since we already know now that we are looking for sales, which is a good one, so let's go down. Now when price tapped into here the second time, this was where price change, boom, this is the daily change. When price tap into here, we have this daily change back to the upside, and price couldn't come back to this area. Instead, price rejects back. So the change of character here back into this OB here was from a 4-hour standpoint of view, and price mitigated it there. So now this area has been mitigated how many times? 1, 2 times. This is the double bottom that rejects back into this area here that price sold off from. Now the weekly view already told me that I'm looking forward to sell. So where exactly am I going to sell? The problem is I'm not seeing any sell area here because we're in the mouth of buyers. So I'm not seeing sales in this area presently, and that's because we are still in this buy area here. We are still here, and we've not really shown any bearish intent. Now let's go down to 4 hour to see how we can get a sell. back to the 4 hour. This is the area I marked it last week. This was the area that changed the direction of the market from the 4 hour standpoint view, and this area was also a rejection area in our OB here that price used to retrace back into this zone. Now I guess because of what happened to DXY, that was why this area was respected. This area was not supposed to be respected. Remember, I was also buying from here when I spot that reality that okay, it looks like there's a flip on buyers. I was buying here, so I wasn't in this sale, but I saw it later. I saw this sale later. Now I was waiting for reaction from here, especially here, but when price gave me this morning star and this bullish engulfing, I was in, and I took SL on that trade, so I didn't take on that trade on gold. But this rejection, I just realized that this was the change of character and this is the low, so price came back and respected it. It means price must complete the low, so 4,005 is a done deal for gold, which is if we can see area to sell inside here, we'll be fine. So I don't go lower than 4 hour, but let's see this area. The area that I can see here is this flip. This is the flip that I can see in 1 hour. This flip area here. Good. This flip area is the only area I feel like gold can sell. We can use this area to sell gold because this is the last buy area, and you can see price really didn't give a good structure in this area from 1 hour. So this area can be a flip area that we can see sellers, but presently I'm not really seeing anything fantastic for me to say I want to enter this trade. So I'll presently just take a break on gold. I'll wait for gold to complete its 4 hour leg. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll simply just wait for gold to complete this leg, then from there I will look for opportunities to sell. But for now, I'm not seeing any concrete opportunity to sell. Also, from 4 hour standpoint, I can see something in this area. And what is that? It's, this guy sets this liquidity here, so it can be a good candle formation entry here. My stop will be on top of it, then my target will be here. So this can also be an entry for me for gold. This can be, we have just less than 40 something seconds for the next 4 hour candle to start. So okay, my alarm is playing. This is an area to sell, so let me reduce this here so that I can see. Yeah, so what do we have? Okay, so this will be my entry, and this is 1 to 39 pips to 80. That's close to 1 to 3, but not so really. So it's a good one, it's a good sell, because overall we are selling. That's why I can really picture this sell now. Okay, that kind of sweat the liquidity and gave us an inverted pin bar, which is a bearish momentum candle. So that's the more reason why I pick interest in that candle. I'm not entering this trade though. I'm just looking because today is Monday and I don't really rush into the market like that. On Monday I try not to take too many trades on Monday, most especially because there's a lot of validation on Monday. So if you miss the invalidation, then you're good to go. I think this is all for good for now. After which good sweeps here, then that's when I know that there will be another instruction from the chart. But hopefully we should see price take out 4,005. Yes, we should see price take 4,005, and from there we might start paying attention to what the market is going to give, what opportunity again the market is going to give. But for now, no tangible opportunity on gold. I'm not saying anything on gold, so I will just be quiet for now. I'll wait for gold to do its thing. After which this has been taken, I'll just wait to see what happens back in this zone and see how price reacts again in that zone. Then that will definitely give me a view of what to do. But overall, I already prescribed a more notable direction for me is to sell and to take out this last man here. So taking out this last man here is the second objective, but until we take out this internal one first, then we might now start looking for, I will now start looking for areas to sell to take out that low. But for now, I'm just looking. This is 4 hour. Okay, I'm just looking presently for this one to complete his move. After which 4-5 has been taken, then we'll see how to find entries to take out 4,000. It's just 4,000. So I think that's that for now on gold. Let's take out this one today and let's see where price will react from. Then we'll find entry. Just know that the major thing is we are looking for sales, and price had done it in, if I use my feed to check from here down to here, price came to this area, which is a major area, and we are selling. So it's still a good one, and it's a good one though. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I think that's that for gold for now. I have to target 4,500 and 4,000. So we still have a lot of move on gold this week. So let's enjoy it. Okay, bye for now, guys. See you.